Alpha, work in progress. Taxi lane 4 Echo Echo, work in progress. Taxiway Kilo closed west of runway 19 left. Taxiways Alpha 2, Alpha 3, Alpha 4, and Lima closed. Taxiway Alpha closed north of Taxiway Bravo. Inlet tower 3.
Okay, so we can expect 19 left for landing runway. We have the altimeter set, and we have information Kilo. Skyhawk 100 Quebec Alpha 2500 uniform coming up on Ramona for Riverside.
And number 100 Quebec Alpha, disregard squawk 0311.
0311.
4.7.
4.7, 24.
Number 100 Quebec Alpha, radar contact 20 miles north of Tulsa International, and expect straight in runway 19 left.
Straight in 19 left, 0 Quebec Alpha. Remembering ground is always normally going to be 121.7 or 121.9. So often they'll abbreviate that as 0.9 or 0.7.
Don't follow that. Tulsa Synthetic 497. How do you pronounce that? Is it Magi?
India.
So we're in the system. We've been identified.
Number 0 Quebec Alpha, turn 10 degrees right, maintain VFR at or above, correction 10 degrees left, maintain VFR at or above 3,000.
Okay, VFR at or above 3,000 and 10 degrees left, 0 Quebec Alpha. So we're going to be 10 degrees left turn and climbing to 3,000. These maintain VFR at or above 3,000. The visibility is going down a little bit, but is good, so should have no problem.
Number 0 Quebec Alpha, turn 10 degrees left.
10 degrees left, 0 Quebec Alpha. Yeah.
Number 0 Quebec Alpha, descendant pilot discretion, make straight in runway 19 left.
Straight in 19 left, 0 Quebec Alpha.
Fox 17 Tulsa, altimeter 2999.
Okay, here we'll do our pre-landing checklist. Gas is on both.
17, verify that you already have your
Undercarriage is down. I have a wheel, mixture is rich. Power, we're going to start as gradual descent, so I'm going to bring my power down to about 1800.
With carb heat.
I'm going to wait, carb heat on, I'm going to wait just a little bit on flaps.
54 Kilo Whiskey, radar contact.
So I'm going to slow down just a little bit.
Northeast of Haskell Airport and so your aircraft.
Not sure I have the runway of the airport in sight, but that should be at just straight ahead. We're going to level at 2,000 that we have.
0 Quebec Alpha, contact Tulsa approach 134.7.
3470 Quebec Alpha. Tulsa approach 100 Quebec Alpha with you. We're descending now to 2,300.
100 Quebec Alpha, Tulsa approach, roger, proceed straight in and a 19 left.
Straight in 19 left, 0 Quebec Alpha. Okay, I'm coming up on 2,000.
0 Quebec Alpha, say type aircraft.
And we're Skyhawk.
0 Quebec Alpha, roger. You may see traffic 10 to 11 o'clock in 5 miles, helicopter 1,500 inbound to St. Francis.
And we're looking for the helicopter.
0 Quebec Alpha, roger, no problems. Contact Riverside Tower 120.3. Have a good day.
20.3, thank you, Bill. Riverside Tower, Skyhawk 100, Quebec Alpha with you for the left.
Skyhawk 100, Quebec Alpha, Riverside Tower, roger, continue inbound.
Quebec Alpha. Okay, we have the tank farm, we have the City of Faith, we have the river, and dead ahead we have the airport. We're off the side just a hair bit. Okay, we're going to start slowing her down.
35 Riverside Tower, fly runway heading, runway 19 left, clear for takeoff. Traffic 4 miles south of the field of Pipeline Cessna will be orbiting low level.
Runway heading, cleared for takeoff.
Our first notch of flaps, power is set, carburetor heat is on, and we're pitching for 85.
I've got traffic, a jet departing runway 19 right, correction, runway 19 left, straight out. Cessna 00, or correction, 100 Quebec Alpha, runway 19 left, clear to land.
Clear to land on the left.
And that's, what I'll do is I'll bring in the second notch of flaps, go to 75, right to the bridge, and then I'll give it to you.
Left, clear for the option number 2. Your traffic to follow ahead and to your left.
Okay, we have it.
And we're starting to pick up a Vivasi.
Number 2, runway 10 left, clear for option.
Degrees of flaps now. Airspeed 70. Runway's made. Use the power to idle.
Yeah, it looks like our taxiways and parallel runway are blocked. So we get fairly far down. Okay, nice smooth landing. Just taxi until the airplane is well under
Quebec
control.
Alpha, turn left at runway 31. Expedite, please. Traffic short final behind you.
Understood.
0 Quebec Alpha, understood.
Skyhawk 0 Quebec Alpha, where do you park?
100 Quebec Alpha, we need to go to ATI hangar on the west side.
0 Quebec Alpha, make a right turn on taxiway Zulu, just like you're doing there, and then another right turn onto taxiway Juliet. Hold short of runway 1 right.
Right Zulu, right Juliet, hold short, 19er left, or?
Yeah.
0 Quebec Alpha, affirmative, hold short runway 19er left.
Gonna hold short here.
Cessna 0 Quebec Alpha, cross runway 19er left and hold short of runway 19er right.
Cross the left, hold short of the right, 0 Quebec Alpha. The runway is clear, okay.
Cessna 0 Quebec Alpha, cross runway 19er right, taxi to ATI via Alpha, this frequency.
Okay, you're ready to cross and we'll stay with you to ATI West.
Clear right, clear left.
Maybe my seat was just back too far.
Look at that. Nice and serpentine, staying on the yellow line.